This guide will help you enhance your Elden Ring installation loop for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to optimize your setup. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to avoid performance issues during installation. Step 2. Update drivers. Before installation, update your graphics card drivers and any other relevant system drivers. This can help improve performance and compatibility with the game. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary background applications and processes that may consume system resources. This will free up memory and processing power for the installation and gameplay. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your device to the internet using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. This can lead to faster download speeds and a more stable installation process. Step 5. Optimize storage space. Ensure you have enough free storage space on your hard drive or SSD. Consider deleting unused files or applications to make room for the game and improve installation speed. By following these steps, you can enhance your Elden Ring installation loop and enjoy a better gaming experience. Happy gaming!